Guys, get ready because I believe Tesla is getting ready to accept Dogecoin very, very soon. With Elon Musk's tweets coming out and other information leading to this, I'm going to be sharing some very pertinent information with you guys today. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to buy in, I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double, that's when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts on Patreon because we've made a lot of money. Guys, when we look at the coin market cap, we see Dogecoin down about 1%, but Bitcoin's in the green. It's doing very well. Just within the last 7 days, we've seen a lot of cryptos have green days, with Bitcoin up already 7%, Cardano up 10%, and Dogecoin up 3.5% just within the last 7 days. So technically a bear market is a downtrend for the market. And as I've said previously, when Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market goes up along with it. When Bitcoin goes down, the crypto market follows. Guys, when we look back historically at all the bull and bear charts for the past 5 years, you see big dips, big correction phases. So this is completely normal what we're seeing currently with our dip. We're currently still on our bull run. Be ready with some cash on the side to buy when you get my buy and sell trade alerts, because when you buy at that steep dip, there's only a short period of time until we see big profits. Guys, I predict within just 3 weeks to see some massive profits, some massive skyrocketing and pumps. So be ready. You don't want to get in after that and have FOMO. Wish you got in before. Get in these infancy stages. That's when people get rich, when they get in before the mass adoption, and now is the perfect time. We see a significant reduction in the time period which the bear runs exist throughout the historic markets of crypto. That's good. What that means is our lows are getting higher, our highs are getting higher, and we're having a lot more mass adoption every single year that crypto has been existing. Historically, we do not have much left of these dips, and rather we will see a lot more peaks very soon. With every dip comes a peak. When we have these phases, we always need corrections phases. After the bull run, there needs to be a retracement, a cool down period. It's completely normal. Nothing to be scared of. Don't have paper hands and sell. Don't panic sell. Never sell for more than you bought in for. And the perfect time to get in is at that steep dip. And only the people who watch the charts throughout the day get those steep dips, because we wait until the whales sell. When the whales sell, the market crashes for a split second, for that 30-second, 60-second, 2-minute, or 5-minute even time interval that it has that dip. That's when I let you guys know to get in. That's when I get in, and that's why I've been such a successful day trader for so many years. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. That way, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you want to trade cryptos tax-free, you can use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment as well. Guys, some huge news. Ethereum now has more active addresses than even Bitcoin. Guys, this is a sign that investors are turning bearish on the world's biggest crypto, Bitcoin. I'm slowly seeing people move into Ethereum and favor Ethereum even over Bitcoin. I don't think that Bitcoin is going away. With institutions, companies, and countries buying into Bitcoin, trust me, it's not going away. However, Ethereum is growing massively and rapidly, and it will in fact be right on up there with Bitcoin, possibly even surging past it one day. Ethereum is not just a stored value like Bitcoin, but rather a smart contract platform. Ethereum has so many more universal uses. There's over 100 other cryptos that actually work on the Ethereum blockchain. And that's why it's one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. With an update coming out just this month for Ethereum to make it more deflationary, a lot more people are going to move into Ethereum. With this mass adoption, it is the perfect time to buy in before it skyrockets. Just like the Bitcoin halving event, when every year the fees for miners are cut in half, there's more people buying in, more people mining, more mass adoption for crypto miners, therefore causing the price to go up. With these halving events, it's about 2 months afterwards that the crypto market takes off. Guys, it wouldn't surprise me if the same thing happens with Ethereum, and just like Bitcoin, when Ethereum goes up, the rest of the crypto market goes up along with it. Guys, a lot more people are buying into altcoins currently. They're doing this because they know the progress that Ethereum and Bitcoin are making. They know about the adoption. They know that if they get their money into altcoins right now, like Dogecoin and others, that when Ethereum takes off, when Bitcoin goes above $50,000 or even $40,000, they'll see their altcoins that they purchased at a very low price go up, doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling in a very short amount of time, just as we've seen several times on my Patreon. Right now, it is very safe to say that all cryptocurrencies are at a 50% discount or more. With all the fake news and FUD that the whales have been putting out over the last couple of months, it's caused the prices to go down and crash, and that's why we have such great prices currently. Those are not the actual value though. Because people got scared, they sold out after so many people adopted for the Saturday Night Live SNL event. They didn't know any better. But guys, you guys watching these videos, you're ahead of the rest. You're a step ahead, and you know to hold with diamond hands, especially through these hard times, because we will see it go right back up to where it was before and even past that. Guys, just a couple of months ago when Elon Musk tweeted out, when Elon Musk put out this poll, this tweet, asking people if they want Tesla to start accepting Dogecoin as payment, 80% of people said yes. Guys, he wasn't joking. When Elon Musk puts something out like this, he's 100% serious. He's been working with the developers for so long now to make it more efficient, to make it work for purchasing of cars, for Teslas, for a lot of different things. Guys, he wants this mass adoption and he'll do everything in his power to make it happen. I truly believe that. Guys, when Tesla officially announces this, it's going to cause the price to skyrocket. So many people are literally going to purchase Dogecoin in order to buy a Tesla. They're going to do this just to say, I bought a Tesla with Dogecoin. It sounds funny. It sounds like an accomplishment, and it truly is a milestone for cryptocurrencies. Since these cars easily cost $75,000, $80,000, $100,000, there's going to be millions of dollars quickly poured into Dogecoin. This is going to be huge for the people that got in before this news. You want to be in before Tesla announces it, so that you see massive profits. I think easily 1 out of 10 Teslas, maybe even more, will be purchased with Dogecoin, and Teslas are sold all around the world. Guys, this is going to affect the marketplace of a lot of different countries. It will also attract the buyers that have never purchased Dogecoin and never purchased a Tesla before. The reason Elon is behind this, the reason Tesla would ever accept it, is because they know every penny that they get paid in Dogecoin for a Tesla will in fact be worth likely 100 times or 1,000 times what it was for the purchase in a very short amount of time. Guys, Polytopia is a game that Teslas actually allow you to play when you're inside of their vehicles. He put out a tweet about Polytopia, including Dogecoin, and guys, when this tweet came out, the price went up huge. You want to get in at my trade alert so that when these memes come out and it causes the price of Dogecoin to go up, you can quickly get out. Or hold with diamond hands. With all the tech news, tweets, and rumors going around Twitter, going around the internet, I truly believe and expect for Tesla to officially announce that they're accepting Dogecoin this month, possibly later on in the month as well. When Tesla accepts Dogecoin, I can easily see the price surging past 50 or 60 cents within a 24-hour period. Guys, when we look at our chart, we're still looking very bullish. Even when we had this dip right here, the massive dip, we went right back up. We have been consolidating. We have been trading sideways, as you can see. However, we're getting more green candlesticks right here going upwards, so you can expect another uptrend. You want to get in right now before that uptrend does in fact happen. So if you wait for my trade alert, you buy in, this will be the perfect time to make some huge profits. Our level of resistance is currently 30 cents. We will break that very soon. Once we break that, we'll have a new level of resistance at 40 cents. What we're having form right here is a bullish flag, as we see going straight up. There's the flagstaff, and it giving us a perfect triangle right here. This right here is a perfect storm, the perfect alignment for a breakout to the upside. About 80% of the time, when we get cornered into that apex, which is forming, we always go upwards. And that breakout can happen even without events, even without news being said. But since we have so much to look forward to as far as fundamental catalysts, events, and Elon Musk tweets, expect to see that happen any second now. So guys, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in, right when all the whales have sold and there's a very short amount of time to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to all my patrons who've been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing. Smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.